The cloud storage market will grow exponentially over the next several years as organizations capture and mine the ever-expanding availability of customer data, business information, and rich media using big data science and AI methods. As the ability of data science and AI expand, the appetite for data will increase, as will the demand for the data producers and the data consumers. Regulatory requirements for public sector, communications, energy, healthcare, and other industries levy data storage burdens to store, archive, protect, and access data over a period of years. With increased data production and no way to divest of archived data until the regulatory period is expired, cloud data storage may become a major business expense for many organizations. The need to leverage and store all this data forces organizations to create new strategies governing when, where, and how to store and archive it in a compliant, cost-effective manner. With the cloud now accepted as a mainstream option for secure data storage solutions, enterprises must rethink how best to use the cloud to augment what was typically achieved only via on-prem solutions. Introducing ORock's Cloud Storage. ORock's object storage solutions offer a low-cost, predictable price option that also boasts outstanding performance for data access and retrieval capabilities. With performance on par with other S3 and hot storage solutions, but at cold storage pricing, ORock Object Storage offers the best of both worlds for users. And if you're tired of paying those egress fees at 4 cents to 16 cents per gigabyte and data transfer charges, we understand. That's why we charge no egress fees. None. There are no ingress fees either, and no data transfer charges. No hidden fees at all. There is the super low cost of the object storage, and that's it. So you can predict how much your storage will cost no matter how much you store, how much you access, or how often you access it. How does that look in reality? Well, if you have 50 terabytes of object storage and access 10 terabytes per month, ORock storage costs are comparable to the hyperscalers, but we will save you on those egress fees. What if you access 30 terabytes of that 50? Your savings increase even more. The more you access your data, the more you will realize that ORock's object storage is the right choice. And because transparency is a hallmark of the ORock culture, let's take a quick look at the price comparison chart. And there it is, all in black and white, and orange. Saving money is great, but let's chat performance. ORock architected its cloud and infrastructure solutions to achieve tight integration between the core components of networking, compute, and storage. All ORock environments are built on open source technologies to avoid vendor lock-in and provide the flexibility to move applications and data freely. They also meet stringent government and commercial security standards including FedRAMP, HIPAA, HITECH, and PCI DSS. ORock's object storage solutions utilize an enterprise-grade, open-source, software-defined storage (SDS) platform that is trusted by some of the world's largest research projects, such as CERN, ImmunityBio, Human Brain Project, and Meerkat Radio Telescope. These critical initiatives rely on the same SDS to manage petabytes of data in a cost-effective, high-performance, and resilient manner. Now that we know how awesome ORock's object storage is with regards to its predictable low-cost model and its outstanding performance, we need to talk about who is going to want it. At the beginning of this course, we spoke about some heavily regulated industries like the public sector, healthcare, telecommunications, energy, and the financial sector. These industries have government regulatory requirements for data storage, and they need to access that stored data for research requirements, law enforcement requests for data, and historical analysis. They suffer either the poor performance of tape storage or the high cost of SSD or HDD storage egress fees. For organizations using outmoded tape storage solutions, they benefit from near-term cost benefits, but while cheap, retrieving data from tape storage takes 72 hours or more. Moreover, the physical tape degrades over time and requires human activity to aggregate and physically store the tape libraries in climate-controlled facilities to slow the degradation process. This is the antithesis to moving at the speed of business. How many organizations out there are sitting on years of tapes without an easy way to migrate all that data to the cloud? Then let's consider the organizations who want to maintain a multi-cloud or hybrid cloud ecosystem. This couldn't be easier than with the ORock Cloud. Our private network connects with all major telcos and hyperscalers on Layer 2, and it terminates directly into most government agencies in the National Capital Region. The ORock Cloud, built on OpenStack, is OS agnostic. We integrate with all the hyperscalers. Your data can move between clouds in complete security, and if there is data you access more than others, put it in the ORock Cloud to save money with no egress fees. Then there are the users who are tired of being just another number, or less, in a hyperscaler's multi-billion-dollar cloud machine. Service is paltry, and customization is limited. ORock delivers all the same functionality as the hyperscalers, and we top it off with a US-based support team who are available via email or phone 24/7. And for those who need help with the battle of migrating their data from existing cloud or on-prem systems, we help there too. That's where ORock brings even more value to our customers. Our service team, at no additional cost, helps design a manageable migration plan with your customer, regardless of how much data or if that data is spread across numerous sites. Your customers are not on their own. At ORock, we pride ourselves on simplifying the cloud experience, and that means providing technical assistance for planning and execution. No matter your storage needs, ORock will simplify your cloud experience.